The 3 best apps to make graphics for social media. What if you could transform your phone into a mini design studio and create stunning social media visuals in minutes? Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, or just someone tired of bland posts, the right app makes all the difference. In this video, I'll count down the 3 best apps to make graphics for social media, ranked from #3 to #1. For each, we'll cover advantages, disadvantages, and which creator type it's ideal for. Stick around, the top pick just might up your design game forever.
3. Unfold story and post templates with style.
If your focus is Instagram stories, Reels, and vertical content, Unfold gives you sleek design templates ready to plug in your images and text. It's lightweight, elegant, and made for creators who want polished visuals fast. Advantages: hundreds of well-designed templates for stories, posts, collages, easy to swap fonts, layouts, and assets.
Clean interface, no clutter to distract you.
Disadvantages: less powerful for heavy image editing or compositing. Free version has limited premium templates, not built for large complex graphics or multi-page campaigns. Best for creators, influencers, or small brands whose primary visual output is story content or polished posts on Instagram. If you want something fast, beautiful, and minimal, Unfold is a great fit. 2. Adobe Express Power plus Ease in one tool. Next is Adobe Express, formerly Adobe Spark. This app lives between ease and creative muscle, giving you templates but also access to design tools and AI features. Recently, Express added integration with Metrical, letting you design, schedule, and analyze content all in one flow. Advantages: strong editing tools, blend modes, effects, layer control, generative AI options, text-to-image, design suggestions. Integration with scheduling platforms and analytics via Metrical. Cloud syncing across devices. Disadvantages: pre-plan limits, advanced features, and exports. Larger learning curve versus ultra-simple apps. Some templates are locked behind premium tiers. Best for designers, marketers, and creators who want creative depth but without launching full Photoshop. If you want flexibility and control with moderately advanced features, Adobe Express is a powerhouse tool. 1. Canva, the all-rounder king. Topping our list is Canva, the go-to app for social media graphics across beginners and pros alike. It's versatile, intuitive, and loaded with design assets. Advantages: massive template library for every kind of post, story, banner, ad. Drag and drop simplicity plus advanced options, animation, video, photo, editing. AI tools, baked in magic, resize, background remover, text effects. Cross-platform, web, iOS, Android, desktop, your designs sync everywhere. Disadvantages: frequent upsell prompts for pro assets. Some advanced features locked behind paid plans. Too many choices can overwhelm new users. Best for anyone from social media beginners to full-time content creators. Canva fits you if you want one tool to do nearly everything: post graphics, thumbnails, stories, even short videos, and scale as you grow.
Final recap plus strategy.
Here's how they stack up. This where Unfold shines when your main goal is story and post template design with minimal clutter. Adobe Express balances creative depth with ease, especially now that it's paired with scheduling divided by analytics tools. Canva wins because of its all-round capability, template breadth, and cross-platform power. My recommendation: start with Canva. It'll cover nearly all your needs and let you experiment. Layer in Adobe Express when you want more control and AI features. Use Unfold when you need crisp, high-end story formats quickly. Also, build your own brand kit: colors, fonts, logo, so every design stays consistent. Use template resizing tools like Canva's Magic Resize to adapt designs across platforms. Save custom components, icons, overlays so they're always ready when you need them. Turn your social media visuals from meh into scroll stoppers without needing a full design team. The right app is your new secret weapon. And don't forget, check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.